Hi, so we are now running the washer that we bought at Walmart, the Lifeplus one. It just finished filling with water and doing the initial thing. We have it on the full program now. So it is so quiet and it doesn't take a lot of room. So why do I love this one? It was so not heavy. I could actually lift it alone, but my husband put it in for me. So, Daniel, my perfect husband, what do you think about the washer that we ordered on Walmart?
I love it. It's an awesome little washing machine. We live in a very small space and we needed a very small washing machine, and wow, we're really impressed by how well it washes the clothes. I mean, to install it, all I had to do was take a washing machine hose and connect to the top and to my...
Can you show them what you did?
Right here, I connected this washing machine hose right here to my
thing.
The washing machine connection, and hooked it up. It was that easy. And then just put the drain line in the drain, and there you go. And we turned it on. It worked.
Yeah.
Oh, we had to plug it in.
So why didn't we use? Why did we go and buy another one? Why didn't we use this one that came with the machine?
This one connects to a sink or something. It's for multi connections, connecting to a sink or you know, other things. So it wouldn't really fit to a regular washing machine outlet. So we're just connecting it up to a regular washing machine.
Yes, and it works perfectly.
Yes,
and you know, guys, just get the one with the bend on it. So you are impressed by it. So it washes quietly. And what else is it that you like with this one?
It's so light. It was easy for me to get in by myself. It didn't take a ton of work, and plus it uses science instead of just mass to throw your clothes around. It's actually using science to with a pump to push them around. And it's actually more efficient.
Can you open it so we can see? Could you move a little bit to the side so I can see without the shadow? Thank you, Mila. So this is what you're talking about. This is, it's so efficient the way it works. And it's so quiet. Thank you, my love. Okay, so how much does this washer take? How much is like 12 pounds? What is that? So I have the manual instruction here. And did you know you can actually have 6 pair of jeans in there? That's a lot, isn't it? Or you could have 9 pair of single sheets. Yeah, so it's not bad. But I'm thinking, you know, the only thing you need to be sure of is that when you have more stuff in there and you use like the big loads, just remember to up the water level. Like 6 is maximum, like 3 would be normal with clothes, but if you're doing a lot, just add the water. It will be less damage on the machine. So yes, this is a very good machine. I like it very much. Okay, so how do you operate it? So this pink one is on, and automatically it turns on the water level 3, right? So if you want to have more, this says water level, right? So if you want to have a bigger load, you just go up to 6. Oh, let me see. I want to have 3 as optional, right? So this is, if you have more clothes, you put more water. Okay, so this one, the P, that's the program. Okay, 1 is a standard program, you know, it takes like, I think 42 minutes or something, washing dirty clothes. And then number 2 here is the spin cycle. The spin cycle is only like the spinning program, right? It doesn't wash or rinse, it's only spinning, right? And then you have number 3. Number 3 is Speedy. Speedy is, if your clothes aren't too dirty, it's good to not use too much energy to wash it. So this is the good program, you know, to save energy. Yes, very good. And then number 4 is Soak. Is if you want to like be more environmentally friendly, just let the clothes soak a little bit before you wash them, and they will be cleaner just by the pure effect of soaking in water first. So so you can do that. So, you know, you just put the washing powder in the water first and let it just soak. Okay, number 5. That's the gentle cycle. I don't know if you can see these here. It's a little bit dark here. Yeah. So the gentle cycle is with a little bit softer flow with the water, and they're used to wash like delicate, thin clothes, or rather clean clothes, right? So that's like a light version. And then we have 3 more. Air dry is it dehydrates the clothes. It, yeah, basically makes them more drier. This is retain water. That's if you want to retain water. And 8 is tub clean. You do that if you want to just rinse out your tub. So usually when you, but let me just go out here, so I'll show you how I do it. When I want to wash, I just push this one. It's automatically on 3, and usually if it's not too full, I just start it here and the water will start to flow. So if you just have more clothes, you just push more here, but usually just on, start, and then off.